Today we introduce the topic of division. So division is when you take a large whole number and you split it into even smaller groups. Alright, so if I take 21, which is my large whole number, divide by 3. So I would take 21 and I'm separating it into even groups of 3. So I take 21 split into groups of 3. So 21 is what you are dividing. That is called our dividend. What you are dividing by is called the divisor. So the number in each group. And then what we're looking for is the answer, or it's called the quotient. Okay, so those are the parts of a division sentence. Alright, so I'm taking 21 and I'm splitting it into groups of 3. So a method that we've been using in class is to draw it out so the students can see what division is actually doing. So I can take 21 and draw 21 lines. Alright, so I have 21 lines and I'm splitting into groups of 3. So I can count 1, 2, 3 and draw a circle around that group. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright, now that I have made every possible group of 3 I can go back and count how many groups I have. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 21 divided by 3 is equal to 7. So 7 is our quotient. To check your answer, what you can do is take your quotient and you can multiply it by the divisor, so 3. And when you work out 7 times 3, you get 21. And if these two match, then you know you have the right answer. Alright, let's do another example. Let's do 15 divided by 3. This is another way of writing a division sentence using what we call the house. If you were to write it like above, it would be the bigger number in the house first, which is our dividend, divided by our divisor, which is the one outside of the house. Okay? And then our quotient goes here. And our quotient goes up here when we find the answer. Alright, so if I were to take 15, alright, I've drawn 15 dots. And our divisor is 3, so our groups are going to be made up of 3 dots. So I have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now I can go back and count how many groups. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 3. So 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. So our quotient goes up on top of the house or beside the division sentence. And again, I can check my answer the same way. Take my quotient, which is 5, times it by our divisor, which is 3, which is 5 groups of 3. So I can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's 2 groups of 5. 1, 2, 3. So I have 3 groups of 5, and if I count, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the product over here matches my dividend over here. So that is the right answer.